Hi, welcome to the Entrepreneurial Training and Assistance Program offered by the University of Minnesota Crookston. My name is Rachel Lundbaum. I'm going to be your facilitator for this program. I wanted to give you a brief overview of the course and some of the information that might be helpful to you as we move forward. So first, you'll notice that on the homepage, obviously, there's the video you're watching. There's information on our live virtual meetings and a link right here to click them via Zoom. We hope you can make these meetings. They're not required. They're just for you to learn more information from myself, from our student interns, from your classmates, and just a chance to ask questions and network. And really, it's a great learning opportunity. We also have a link here if you have a specific project you'd like assistance with. We have student interns who can help with that. Obviously, we'll be overseeing them as well. Some of the projects people have requested in the past is help putting together some social media campaigns, help with their website. Maybe they just have some basic research that you need help with. We're really great at that at the university. So please, we encourage you to use the assistance offered through this program. That is one of the most valuable things that we offer through this. In order to access the content in the courses, you can either click here or on this tab called Modules. I'll click on this one. And in here each week, I will be posting information that you can review at your leisure that can be helpful to you as you start a business. So for example, for week 1 here, we have, some introduction to basic business concepts, business planning in general. Each week we'll have different topics that we'll cover, and each week you can post questions you might have as well. As you get started with the course, I encourage you to introduce yourself and your business idea if you're comfortable with everybody in the course. Not everybody's going to be able to log on for the live Zoom meetings, so this is a really great place for us to discuss in a virtual environment. And then we ask that you take a pre-workshop assessment. It just asks about your current knowledge of some of the concepts we're going to be talking about. This program is grant funded from the Minnesota Department of Employment and Economic Development, and we want to show them that we're actually achieving the goals that we have set forth. So that is just a basic overview of the course. If you have, just go ahead at any time, you just click on one of these tabs, and if you want to go back, you can either use the arrows down here or you can go back to the modules. It's pretty simple to use. If at any time you have questions, go ahead and reach out to me. My information is on here. Email is probably the best and the quickest, but phone calls are fine too. With that, I hope you enjoy the course, and I look forward to getting to know about you and your business ideas. Thanks.